Okay, the next part I want to go through is the handle housing set. You have two pieces typically, different sides of the handle housing system. This side comes pre-assembled with a handle already attached to the handle shaft, and then this side would go through the other side of the door. And along with that, you've got a plastic piece like this, you've got the other side of the handle, and then you've got a couple of pieces that look like this, and that. So, how does all this go? Well, after you've drilled the holes in the door frame, quarter-inch hole, half-inch hole, and make sure that they're drilled all the way through perfectly straight, because you will be giving yourself a lot of extra trouble if you don't. The long steel rod that we talked about before is the rod that pulls the striker down. The way that operates is you have to decide where the handle wants to be positioned. So if you wanted a handle positioned like this, then you could just put it that way and hold it like that. Some people want the handle to be tilted up slightly. You can do that too. You would have to put it right about there. Okay, and I'll show you how that works. I prefer the handle to be just straight across like that. So what we do is we put this piece down first. We put a spacer, that's this piece here, in between there. Slide that over the handle shaft. And then the final piece is this locking piece, and you'll see it's got the tang that comes down like that, and it's going to go through that spot right there. So we'll just again line that up like that. Then you take the rod that we have with the hole already in it, and of course line that up and put that like that. And then that assembly then gets placed on the edge of the door frame through the holes you've drilled. Now for this purpose of this video, I'm going to pull this back out because all it does is get in the way of showing you what needs to happen next. So now you've got that piece in there, the rod is where it's supposed to be. The next piece that goes on is this piece, and this would typically go on the inside of the door. We have our two standoff pieces like this, okay? One goes through here, one goes through here, through the quarter-inch holes you've drilled, and once again we have two long screws and two short screws, and just depending on what size of door frame, how thick your door frame is, will determine which of these you'll use. Okay, so it's like that. Thin door frame, thick door frame. Alright. Once that's done and the door is handles through there, this plastic piece here goes through this and provides a nice cushion and provides a way for this shaft to keep straight and true during its use. The notches here are designed to be places to saw off part of the length of this handle. We make one length of handle for all size doors. So if you have a real thin door frame, chances are you could be using a hacksaw to saw this whole piece off. Most on average we do either the 3 or the 2 level. And when you've got that sawed off to the proper length, you slide on the other handle, and again using the supplied Allen wrench, you tighten the two set screws there, and we've got the nylock set screw on the end, so you've got 3 points of contact, and that would complete the handle installation.